This month, America celebrates the 53rd anniversary of Title IX. I'm Angela with the Defense of Freedom Institute, and here's what you need to know about the future of this landmark statute. First and foremost, Title IX bans discrimination on the basis of sex in any program or activity that receives federal funding. This guarantees women and girls equal access to educational opportunities, including school sports. Second, the implementation of Title IX from kindergarten all the way through college is currently governed by a rule created by the Department of Education in 2020. This rule requires schools to treat all students in a manner that is fair, consistent, and transparent. The rule was designed to make sure schools could not trample on the due process rights of students, or punish them, or even throw them out of school based on false accusations the way we have seen in the past. Third, the prior presidential administration misused Title IX to force an interpretation that was just plain wrong. They pretended that the word sex in the statute included gender identity. As a result of their 2024 Title IX rule, schools, colleges, and universities were required to allow men and women's sports, and they were compelled to punish students and educators who chose not to use another person's chosen name or preferred pronouns. Fortunately, several courts have recognized that that 2024 rule was unlawful, and they've erased it from the books. But this progress might not stick around forever. Unless we codify key protections into law, a future administration could send us right back to square one. That's why DFI has drafted our model law called the Respect Title IX Act. Our model law would define sex once and for all as a matter of binary biological fact. The Respect Title IX Act would also enshrine due process in campus disciplinary proceedings, and it would bar schools from keeping secrets about students from those students' parents. If the bill becomes law, women's sports would officially be for women only, and women and girls would never have to share their locker rooms or restrooms with men and boys. Most importantly, the Respect Title IX Act would bar any future federal bureaucrats from undermining Title IX's protections. This model law would protect America's current and future students from any future attempts to erode their rights. To learn more about the Respect Title IX Act and to support our efforts, click the link in the description.